to release it. Over here, dump. Welcome back. Today we're going to do a unboxing. Well, I've already unboxed it. I'm going to put it together, show you how it's done, and actually demonstrate it. Is a VEVOR, not sure how that's pronounced correctly, Air Jack. Just took it out of the box the way it was shipped. Let's get started, put this thing together. Bolt on right here. Get your air valves, dump valve to air it up, and the safety pop-off valve. Does come with all the necessary hardware. More than enough hose. This line here will plug into here and we'll tighten it down. Alright, you can see all the necessary components. Getting ready to put our air fitting in. We'll go in right there. Do advise put Teflon tape on the threads so it doesn't leak. There's a longer hose here. Here's a part of your handle will attach. As your top handle goes in. So on this one, you can put it this way, or you can put it this way, doesn't matter, it's up to you. And our air valve will attach to it. In return, our air line will plug in here. So we'll get started. First thing we'll do, put our air fitting in. Doesn't require a whole lot. Teflon tape. Good. I'll move on to the handle. Got 6 Phillips screws with a Teflon nut. Bring screw up from the bottom side. Put screws in from the bottom side. The holes have been beveled out, so the screw will sit down in the flat flush. Best way to assemble something like this: put all the screws, nuts and screws in, put them in loose, tighten them afterwards. That way you're able to get all the holes lined up. Rubber hose. You go up the pipe, up the handle. It'll come back out this hole here. Alright. Now we're ready to line up the handle. Hose will go through here. Come out there, and now we'll cut to fit the length we need, or we can leave some slack in it. This handle, put it in this way. Air fitting will be up top, or you can put it in this way. Totally up to you. Then when hooking up the airline to your manifold, you want to loosen this piece up, take it off, slide your hose through it. You want to press the hose onto this piece here. This will squeeze the hose, clamp the hose down over the top of that so it won't leak. Be sure to get it all the way up and over. Get back to the nut. No need to over tighten it, it's secure. I chose not to trim the line shorter, just in case I need to move something around. If I want to change the way the handle is, I can. There'll be no restriction from the line. Screws and nuts on, will be up to you. It is not beveled on either side. think I'm going to put the handle this way. You can always flip it around this way later. Just personal preference. Got an Allen wrench, got our plugs. And later on I may end up flipping this back the other way. We'll see how it works. Snug. Alright, our valves are closed. When we open them up like so, we'll raise it up. The red one will be our dump valve to let the air back out. Hook air hose. Open up slightly. And it starts to raise on up. We can turn it off anytime we need to. Turned it off, release, still stays aired up. Height we're at 17, top of the puck, 18 inches. Should be plenty sufficient to release it. Over here, dump valve. Open up, it's going to go all the way back down to where you started from. Okay, now we're going to jack up the car to see how well this thing works. Let's put this jack on this car, it's right here. Right underneath. Put our air to it. As you can see, bringing the car up, no problem. Very little air pressure going in right now. Speed it up some. And we're off the ground. It's pretty sturdy. The car's not going to go anywhere. Of course, we're on flat ground. You want to be sure of that. Go ahead and let it back down. Now I do have a floor jack. You can see the size difference there. This is fairly lightweight. This one a little bit awkward. As you can see, I'm on gravel, so it doesn't roll very well. This is an aluminum jack. They weigh real close to being about the same. Now I will be carrying this with me in my truck. And I do have a small air compressor that'll push 120 pounds, 115 pounds if this thing requires. It'll push that with no problem. Appreciate you watching the videos. If you would, take the time to like, subscribe, comment, any questions or something I should be doing different. What number of viewer are you? Just interested. You don't have to, but it'd be appreciated. Thanks for watching. As you can see, bringing the car up, no problem. Very little air pressure going in right now. Speed it up some. And we're off the ground.